What if I could tell you that just a few seconds every day, you could save lives and make an impact on the global pandemic? You can, and you and your family can make a difference in your health, in the way your family will be treated or could be treated if they do get sick with COVID-19. My name is Dr. Rusty Hoffman. I'm Professor in Chief of Interventional Radiology at Stanford. We're still relying on swabs and contact tracing in the fight against COVID. So the question is, what's been invented in the past 100 years that could help us? And one of the best things, I think, is your cell phone. We've developed the National Daily Health Survey. It's a simple survey that just asks basic demographic questions and whether you feel sick or not, that you respond to each day and we track. You can put your email in and your phone number so that we can send you either SMS reminders or email reminders. And it's with that data that we believe we're going to be able to predict where there'll be surges so that we can help guide public health officials related to stay-at-home orders. When can we relax restrictions? When do we need to crank them back down? And when do we need to be ready at hospitals to take care of a surge of COVID patients? Everybody wants to do something to help in the fight against COVID. Here is something you can do.